Hi traders, this is Omar. We're going to do a bit of a recap just on the some of the signals and the profit and loss that's sitting on the table currently with Lifestyle Trader. Now we're starting with grains, so we have a look here. Taking corn, had you been in this last signal, entry was 524, as you can see there, the open, and it's currently at 438.2. So we go to our spreadsheet for grains, we go to corn, we're going short. Our entry price was 524, and the current price now was 438 and 2. You can see the profit there so far. Next is oats. We select the open interest contract on oats. You can see we had a short signal here. The next day's open price was 318.4, and the current price is 297 and 4. On our spreadsheet, going short again, 318 and 4, and the current price was 297 and 4. Rough rice is next. Now we have a short signal here. The next day's open was 1920, and it's currently at 1686 and 5. So short 1920, and it's currently at 1686 and 5. Soy meal next. Now we have a short signal. Technically this wasn't the correct entry if we went here, so we needed to wait for the next day to confirm, which means the open would have been 299, okay, and the current price is 276. Because the angles weren't quite correct here, we needed to give it another day to confirm for the trend. So on our spreadsheet, going short again, this time entry 299 on soy meal, and the current price was 276. Okay, next is oil. Grabbing the highest open interest contract, and again you can see here we would have to wait till the day after this cross to have the official signal. Okay, entry here would have been 45 and 8 open price, and the close was 39.79. That's the current close. So if we put a short in a spreadsheet for 45 and 8, with the current price being 39.79. Soybeans next. And again, you can see here we would have had to wait for the next day's confirmation because the lines didn't quite have the correct angle, so we would have waited for the next day's to confirm. Now the open price of that was 10.87, and the current closing price looks like we're just about to have a cross is 9.80. So this was a short on soybeans, entered at 10.87, and the current price was 9.80. And wheat, out of the last of the grains, had a perfect entry signal here. The open for that was 6.99, as you see, and the current price, last price, was 6.04 and 6. So if we enter that in as a short, excuse me, 6.99 was our entry, and the current price is 6.04.6. And you can see that all of the grains so far, okay, are all delivering very well profits. Okay, you can see the percentage of returns here. Every one of those trades is sitting in profits, and if we just scroll down the spreadsheet, the grains alone, you'd be sitting with well over 25,000 profit, which is a good return on your margin. So that's the grain so far. Thanks for listening.